All right, guys, so I was driving home from work in the 330, and on the way I got a whole bunch of warning lights, so I figured I'd film it. But just to show you, so here are the warning lights. If you guys can't tell, or if it's not really focusing, we have brake failure, we have flat tire, and we also have chassis management. I forgot what it's called. All right, guys, I don't remember the last thing I said in the beginning of this video, but if you guys remember, I basically had an issue with the F30. I was getting a whole bunch of lights. I think I actually scanned it with Beamer Link. Basically on the dash, I was getting chassis malfunction, brake failure, flat tire failure. So I thought, just based on those, it's ABS sensor. That's what I thought. But when I scanned it, I didn't see anything about it saying an ABS sensor. Now, I've seen some people on the forum saying that you can scan it, it'll actually tell you which ABS sensor failed. I don't know which one failed, if any failed. It might be something actually worse than this. Okay. I'm really hoping that that's all it is, just ABS sensors. So what I went ahead and did was I bought 2 ABS sensors for the front. So front left, front right. We might have to change the ones in the rear. Those are a little more annoying to change from what I've seen. So we're gonna stick with the easier ones for now. What we're gonna have to do is just lift up the car, take off the wheel. That way we can get to the ABS sensor. It is, you having fun over there, JD? All right, he is. So we have to get to the ABS sensor, which sits behind the hub somewhere over here, and then it connects into the same little box that your brake sensor connects to. Not your brake pad sensor. So I'm hoping it's pretty easy. The only thing that makes me nervous is if it's rusted. So if you guys don't know, it connects to the car via a clip, and then it connects to the hub of the wheel via a 10 mil, I think. And anything behind the wheel tends to be rusted because, you know, this is New York. If it's rusted, that's gonna suck. It's gonna make it, stop laughing. It's gonna make it so much harder. So with that said, I'm gonna go grab the sensors. JD is gonna be my helper today, so I appreciate you, bro. Thank you, thank you. He's gonna start jacking up the car in the meantime. I just volunteered him to do that. Thank you. When you guys have good friends, you all help each other out. He's gonna jack up the car, and yeah, we'll get into it. All right, guys, you guys can see I have a beautiful box from FCP Euro. Huge shout out and thank you to them. They don't sponsor me, but you know what? I think they should. No, I'm just kidding. Should. Now, legit, all jokes aside, FCP Euro is so clutch. I get all my maintenance stuff from them. If anybody from FCP Euro is watching this, please sponsor me. But if you don't, it's cool. I'm gonna use your stuff anyways. But anyways, we have a few things in here. So windshield wipers, because I've kind of figured why not. You can spend like 50 bucks to get free shipping, so I might as well have bought this, right?
I messed up twice on Amazon, so good job.
Thank you. I appreciate that. And then we have coolant. If you guys been watching the channel, I might title this like my F30 broke twice in one month, which is true.
It is true.
It is true. This car had a coolant issue, which thankfully BMW fixed based on a recall. That coolant is not for this car. It's for another car. Yeah, another car broke. I swear to God. Yeah, legit. Yeah, guys, own a BMW, they said. It's going to be fun, they said. It's not so fun sometimes.
I'm leaking oil, it's fine.
Yeah, you're leaking oil?
Yes.
So F30 right now is broken with the ABS sensors, I think. And then I have another car, not the G80 M3, something with the coolants going on. I mean, you guys can probably deduce which car it is. Anyways, that's going to be for another video. These are the ABS sensors. Now, something I'm worried about, and JD's going to find out for the first time as well, I don't know if these are the right sensors. I don't know, because I contacted FCP Euro and they sent me these ones, or they told me to get these ones. They said it was based on the VIN, but when I looked at the description, it said something about active cruise control. This car does not have active cruise control, and apparently you have to specify if your car has that or not. I don't know. So this might not even work on the car. We'll figure it out. Anyways, JD jacked up the car. We're gonna take off the wheels. There we go. We might have to actually turn the wheels, which is gonna be interesting. All right, so like I was saying, yeah, because we have to reach the sensor. So one of these, I believe, is the brake pad sensor. The other one is the ABS sensor, which I don't know if I'm gonna be able to show you guys, but it should connect somewhere in the back over here. So it's actually on this side. You guys can probably just follow the line, but it connects somewhere back here. So probably not gonna get a good view of this. I apologize. I'll try my best. But then the other side of it does connect inside that little box. So this right over here, so you just open this up just like that, just will pop right open. You disconnect it and then you connect it into there. So that part is easy. It's getting to the little bolt back here. Okay, I see it. Don't know how easily I'll be able to get to that. I think I said it was a 10 mil. I think I was wrong. It looks like it's a Torx bit. So I was wrong, guys. So right over here, right where my finger is, that's where the sensor connects to. I don't know if you guys can at least see my finger, just to give you an idea.
And action.
Doggo. All right, sorry, distracted. All right, guys, so we found out it's a T30. It's really helpful to have these impact rated Torx bits because a normal Torx might just break on you. Thankfully, this bolt doesn't seem rusted, which is really nice. So it might come out nice and easy. All right, I think it broke loose. No struggle. So, by the way, we're gonna have to use the same hardware for the new sensor, so don't lose it. Oh, I think I got it. Oh, that was pleasant. So what I did, I took the pick tool, I put it in here after taking the bolt out, and I pried up, and that seemed to get it out pretty easily and pretty quickly. So if you guys are doing this, do that yourself. By the way, you guys might not necessarily have to change the ABS sensor. They say sometimes they just get so dirty they don't work anymore, so you can actually clean them. I went ahead and ordered new ones anyways. I feel defeated. I don't know why. This isn't even a hard job. I'm just gonna lay here, guys. Like the video. I'm gonna stop being a wuss. All right. So yeah. Anyways, you can sometimes just clean them off and put them back in. You guys can see how dirty that is. Can you see that? Is it focusing? It's like filthy. So it connects right in here. These are pretty easy. You just kind of maneuver them out just like that. We got another one right here. So again, pretty easy. Maneuver it out like that. And then one last one in here. Yeah, there we go. Okay, now we can disconnect this. Boom, there we go. Pretty easy, guys, not too bad. So again, this is the old one. Let's take a good look at that, see how dirty that is. There's literally like straight up dirt in there. Maybe that's all that's wrong with it. I don't know. Anyways, let's just plug in the new one. We don't even know if it's this side. We don't even know if it's in the front. It could be the rear ABS sensors, which is pretty crazy. Whatever, we're gonna figure it out. Like that. I think this should go just like that. Boom, snaps in. This should click in. And then we're gonna kind of do what we undid. A few moments later. All right, I think we're in. It feels tight. I'm not gonna really push it more than that. And I think we're good, guys. So that's pretty much it. Ow, ow. Okay. That's pretty much it. So ABS sensors replaced. We obviously have to do the other side. I mean, if you guys know exactly which one is broken, you only have to do one side, but because we don't really know, we're gonna go ahead and just do the other side. Better safe than sorry. I think what we should do first though, and JD, let me know what you think too. Maybe because we weren't sure if these are the right sensors for the car, maybe we should turn it on and see if it throws any codes right away. Again, those codes that I was talking about only come up after driving the car for a bit, so theoretically we shouldn't get any codes right now. Oh, and we are. That might be a bad sign. We're already getting some codes. I think this might be the wrong ABS sensor. That's not good.
Where's the old one?
Yeah. Legit. What the heck, man? FCP Euro literally said this was the right one. Okay. Well, these are the same codes that I was getting, so it makes me feel better at least that it probably really is the ABS sensor that's messed up, because if we put the wrong one on and we're getting those codes, that means that the ABS sensor is in fact the thing throwing up those codes. That sucks. Man.
I'll try to clean it.
Man, the guy told me. I literally said, I was like, I don't have active cruise control. He's like, well, this is based on your VIN. Man, that sucks. All right. Plan B. We're gonna clean off the sensors. This is a mess. We're gonna clean off the sensors. We're gonna put the original one back in, right? That's a good plan. JD's nodding his head. And then we're gonna hope that fixes it. Dude, this sucks. I waited so long for these sensors to come in, like legit. All right, no big deal. This is really not that, it's really not that bad of an issue. I shouldn't be complaining, but it still sucks though. So we're gonna get underneath the car again, and we're gonna undo the sensor we just put in.
What's going on, boys? So quick update. We cleaned off the old ABS sensor on the driver's side. So now we're going to get to the passenger side, but let's see if cleaning them off will do the job.
JD's working on the other side. Thank you, JD. Appreciate you, bro. We went ahead and cleaned the sensor on this side, and we plugged it back in. The car isn't throwing the code, which I think you guys saw already. So it's recognizing the sensor, which is good. Hopefully you just needed a good clean, and now it's good. By the way, we also got sticks here. Thank you. Oh, bro, JD's killing it right now. He doesn't even need my help. I feel bad. I'm making JD work on my car. I didn't even make him. I didn't make him do this, guys. I swear to God.
I'm confused. What is actually going on right now? What are you sensor for? What? What are you trying to do?
So the car is throwing up a few lights when you drive it for a bit. When you first turn it on, it's fine. But when you drive it for a bit, it'll throw up the chassis management malfunction. It'll throw up the brake failure.
Yeah.
It'll throw up flat tire.
Okay.
So I don't know exactly what's going on.
Do you connect the computer to it?
Yeah, but it didn't tell me exactly what's going on. So I'm assuming it's the ABS sensor because, and it also reassured when JD and I plugged in the wrong sensor, it basically threw up those same lights right away, those same codes. So clearly the ABS sensor can cause those codes. So I'm pretty sure that's what it is. Again, like when we pulled out that one, it was mad dirty. You should watch the video, bro, and also like and subscribe. No,
sure, I'll watch it anyway. But sometimes they just get dirty and then they just don't get like they don't read.
Yeah,
the same.
I mean that would be nice if I can just if this works and then I can just return the other ones.
Yeah,
and then I save some money.
What, bro? Does your lift even lift?
Nope, I'm not gonna break it.
All right, here.
You say your lift doesn't. Was your axle change at some point? Because it looks like newer than everything else.
Mine?
Yeah.
Not that I know of. Look how easy that was.
See,
we're not gonna undo the rest of it. Let's see how dirty this thing is.
That's where I'd be so afraid of. I'm clipping stuff, bro.
Yeah.
Because once that thing breaks, it's GG.
So can you focus on that? Is it focused? Bro, look how dirty that is.
That is insanely dirty.
This is like there's literally look at this. Is it focusing? Look at that.
Yeah, that's extreme.
Bro, that's
not supposed to be dirty like that, right?
I don't think so. Unless this is like something that's supposed to be on the set. No, but the new one didn't have anything. I don't know. Whatever. Point is, this is absolutely filthy. So who knows? Maybe this is what it is. Let's clean this one off. Sorry, Sticks. We're gonna clean this off.
Man, I'm a supervisor now.
Yeah, I appreciate it. Bro, I didn't even put it on sneakers. I just threw my slides back on.
You good, bro.
I'm
going to work like this.
Shout out to JD. I had to run inside for something, and JD held it down. He started working on it, so I appreciate you, bro.
No problem, dog.
Yeah. Am I gonna pay you? No.
Yeah, he likes that. That's why he likes anyway.
Yeah, he doesn't like to get paid.
He doesn't like to get paid. He don't like to get paid, bro.
So yeah, we'll see. Hopefully, bro. Honestly, if this works,
that'd be nice. What did you use? Is that rubbing alcohol?
It's just rubbing alcohol. I don't know if it's gonna mess up the sensor at this point.
If don't put too much, yeah, that's good.
No,
just dry it now.
Yeah, no. Well, alcohol will.
I mean, it kind of dries by itself.
That's true. All right, so we good? At least we didn't have to disconnect all that.
Yeah.
I'm trying to look on the bright side.
Hi, man.
Hi. Hi, Mom.
How you doing?
My mom doesn't. Honestly, I've seen better days. I really shouldn't complain, bro. First world problems. But like, it's a little frustrating. This has just been a process because what you guys didn't see is like this happened at this point weeks ago, and I waited weeks for this sensors to come in. So like the car's been kind of like, you know, and this car is meant to save me on gas and stuff, but I couldn't really drive it. So I've been driving the X5 more. I've been driving the G80 more. And it sucks because this car, like, you dancing back there? No. Yeah, so, yeah, we'll see. Hopefully this fixes it. But we good right now. That's back on. Let's throw the wheel back on, and then we'll go for a drive. We'll see if these lights come back on. If it does, I'm going to cry. No, if it does, I'll reach out, find the right sensors. And if it doesn't come back on, we good. So, let's cut to that. All right. You ready? I'm going to slam the brakes. Hold on. That guy next to us had his window down. It's probably like, what are these kids doing? All right, well, good thing so far. The light hasn't been triggered. So I'm pretty sure I heard ABS working there, right? You heard it? ABS worked, and I didn't get the light. Good sign so far, but we're gonna keep on testing this out. All right, you ready? So I'm gonna... There it goes. It got triggered. Dang it, no! No, we're so close. So we have brake system, we have flat tire, and then it also says chassis management on my thing here. Bro, that sucks. All right, so it's more than just the sensor. It might not even be the sensor. It might even just be something else entirely. Well, that was a fail, guys. It has to be the sensor. But honestly, I'm gonna end this video here because at this point, it's already been going on for like 2 weeks. I don't have a solution yet. I'll keep you guys posted if I find anything. This was a fail though, such a waste of time. Like we didn't install new sensors. We cleaned these ones, but it didn't even help. If one of you guys know what could potentially be causing this issue, drop it down in the comments below. I'm starting to get a little frustrated. Look at the 6 Series though. M6? Yeah. Well, at least his car is working. Anyways, guys, please drop this video a like. It helps me out a lot. Again, let me know if you know what this issue might be. And yeah, with that said, this video is pretty much done. Catch you guys in the next one. Peace.